The Spider-Man Kiss is a memorable scene from the film franchise where one person hangs upside down for a kiss. To safely attempt this, find a sturdy surface like a couch or bed and place padding underneath for protection. Begin by bending your head back while keeping most of your body on the surface. If you're using a table, lie flat and tilt your head over the edge. It's important to stop if you feel any pain, as overstretching can cause strain. Your partner can then lean in for the kiss, which might require them to kneel if you're hanging. Alternatively, you can perform the kiss while lying flat on a surface, with your partner standing above you. Just remember to account for gravity. Secure yourself and avoid prolonged hanging, no more than 5 to 10 minutes, to prevent dizziness. Those with chronic health issues should skip the upside-down version and opt for the flat approach instead.